Hi, in front of me is CUBOT R15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect this device through Bluetooth. Firstly, open Settings, then choose Connected Devices and tap on Pair New Device. Over here, wait for available ones to show up, and when they do, tap on the one that you want to connect to. For example, that one. Now tap on it and click Pair. After that, wait for the other device to accept connection request. As you can see, my device was successfully connected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!